Spending a few minutes checking out my plants for new leaves while I breathe slowly and evenly helps me to center my mind and body for the day. Noticing the details, colors, and textures of plants is one of my favorite relaxing and meditative practices. And there is something about watering my plants that makes me instantly relaxed. I enjoy watching the water soak into the soil, and it makes me feel good to be helpful in assisting my plants to grow well and thrive. After I water my plants and before eating breakfast, I look to jumpstart myself with a glass of water or two. I like to have at least one plant being propagated in water because I'm fascinated by watching the process of root growth. As I notice how the plant is growing, I take time to consider my own growth. Having a humidifier is not only beneficial to my plants, but also brings me calm. I enjoy watching the continual flow of light mist as it helps my plants to gently unfurl new leaves. For me, bringing nature inside makes my apartment living so much better. I carry the practice of being present to plants with me as I go around the city. I focus on noticing nature everywhere. In the rush of city life, I value the role that plants and nature play in keeping us connected to the natural world. You can follow me on Instagram at I Have This Thing with Urban Jungles and listen to my nature-focused podcast, Pause with Plants, on your preferred podcast player. And remember to subscribe to Well+Good's YouTube channel for more episodes of Self-Care Nation.